Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just gonna make it really quick because we are back with a recipe video. This is Daniel Fast Friendly, and we are making some really good stuff. We are making some chili, some black eyed peas, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So keep on watching and let me know what y'all think, because I know y'all gonna love that chili. I love that chili, and I loved them black eyed peas, y'all. I'ma just tell you. Whew. Before the end of this Daniel fast, I might have to run that chili back. It was so good. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Let's roll the tapes and get into the good cooking. Just get into the good cooking. That's all I got to say. So we are calling this the kitchen sink stir fry because this is basically leftover vegetables that I had after filming everything else this week, and just whatever else I had on hand that I wanted to go ahead and use up. So we are dicing some red pepper, about a fourth of that, about a fourth of a white onion. Dice it to your liking. I kind of did strips to give me a little, stir fry feel. Added some green beans to that. Added some veggie broth to the bottom of the green beans, and now I am seasoning it with some garlic powder and just season to your preference. I love garlic, so I'm a little garlic heavy. Added some more onion in the form of onion powder. Those are like my two staples. I put that in pretty much everything I cook. So now that everything's nice and white, I'm just going to go ahead and saute it a little bit. Now I'm chopping up the rest of the chanterelle mushrooms as well as the baby bella mushrooms, and I'm just cutting them into slices. Added it in. I did press out excess water in the mushrooms, just so I feel like it cooks down better to me. And so I'm sauteing that. Now in a separate pan, I'm making my cauliflower rice to go with it. So I'm adding onion powder, garlic powder, of course. Seasoning it to taste. Adding a little bit of ginger because I was feeling fancy, and ginger is really good for you. Adding some black pepper, added a little bit of salt as well. Now I'm adding some spinach. When I tell you I'm adding every vegetable that I had left. Added some spinach for some extra protein. Seasoning it again because you can never have too much seasoning. Added some 21 dilute seasoning to the cauliflower rice to give it extra flavor. Now we have the teriyaki glaze, and I did probably about 2 tablespoons, which would be the serving size for the both of us eating it. So mixing that all up. Now I am plating it, and it was very delicious. I think we had this 2 or 3 times that week. We had this like 2 or 3 times this week, and it was delicious. And that's why I kept making it. And it was super quick, super easy. If you already have your stuff chopped, you can make this in 10 minutes, like 10-15 minutes tops. It's very healthy. You get a lot of rich colors, and it is just straight up delicious. So I am making some vegan chili today. Have some vegetable broth, black beans, garbanzo beans, red kidney beans, diced tomatoes. This is a whole bunch of diced stuff. We have bell peppers underneath, onions, mushrooms. We have like yellow peppers, red peppers, green peppers, onions, mushroom. Then all my seasonings: smoked paprika, garlic powder, chili powder, a little bit of liquid smoke, and then pink salt, some oregano, and I'm gonna add some black pepper. Turn this on, put a little bit of oil in the pan in a second. Pretty much add in all of that. Whee! So this is the next day because next day chili is just literally the best. And I added some of these tortilla chips. And of course you need your toppings. Like you have to have your toppings. And y'all, I was tearing this chili up. Like I ate it like 4 days straight. It was so freaking good. So believe it or not, this is my first time making collards. And I will say at Vallarta's, they did not have the best selection. But I was like, I'm not finna go to 3,000 stores. So I got the best looking one. And so I'm kind of just like dicing it a couple of different ways to make like, you know, tiny strips. You know, I have to saute my onions. Love a good onion moment. You know, I'm seasoning it to taste, and then the red pepper, smoked paprika. Got to have the garlic. So sauteed it. It's a little brown, but it's all right. And then some apple cider vinegar, because I feel like that's what my grandmama would want. And now I'm adding the collards. Adding some vegetable stock and pretty much just letting it cook down. I mean, you just let it cook, let it simmer. Added just a hint of liquid smoke to give it like that smokiness, because the next time I make it, I would like to use turkey neck, even though Keenan does not eat turkey. He only eats chicken, even though they're both poultry, but that's another story. But I just love the smokiness of a smoked turkey neck, so I'd like to try that next time. Added some yellow pepper, salting it up, peppering it up, you know, gotta add some flavor to it. And pretty much I brought it to a little bit of a boil, and then I let it simmer, and then like an hour and a half to 2 hours later, that's what it looked like, and it was delicious. This is my first time making black eyed peas by myself, and these were my New Year's black eyed peas. So added garlic, of course, sauteing some red pepper and some onion, added the black eyed peas, salting it up, adding a little bay leaf, cayenne pepper, give a little spice to it, some smoked paprika, a little bit of liquid smoke. That was like my thing that day. Added some veggie stock, brought it up to a boil, and then let it cook down. 45 minutes later, that's what it looked like. So my battery was dying and I just threw those in the oven. I like scorched it a little bit on top, cooked it for about 45 minutes at 400, and that was my soul food feast, and it was so delicious. Like, oh my gosh. So after watching them clips, I know y'all are hungry. I know y'all are writing down your grocery list because y'all finna go to the store, get the ingredients, and come back and cook this stuff. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. I do have another cooking video coming up, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be really, really good. You know, gotta keep it spicy for y'all. Gotta keep y'all motivated. We gotta keep each other motivated during this Daniel fast. And if you're not doing a Daniel fast but you like vegan stuff, these are really, really good too. So try it out. Let me know what you think. What's a recipe that y'all would like to see from me, and I would try to incorporate that in my next video. But let me know. Put in the comments. Y'all gotta be quick with the watching. Watch this video, let me know, and without further ado, I will see y'all next time. Bye.